Hey you! I am so happy to be back here cleaning for you guys and chit-chatting with you. I just want to let you know that I have read all of your messages and I'm so thankful for you to reach out to me to check on me, make sure I am okay. I just needed a quick little break and everything is doing amazing right now as I pour a cup of wine right now before I clean. But I do want to let you know that I am doing great. The family is doing just wonderful, and I am now going to be getting these videos pushed back out for you guys and get back on track. So once again, thank you so much for y'all support. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always message me. But tonight I'm doing a nighttime after dinner clean with me. I made some chicken Alfredo tonight, and I wanted to go ahead and get this cleaned up. It was a mess in this kitchen, so I'm going to do that for you. I wanted to go ahead and plate up the dinner for the family and just let them eat it while I am cleaning and get them out the way. But I do want to let you know that this portion of the video is sponsored by Temu. I don't know if you guys have seen them around on YouTube here, but I hope I'm saying the name right. I'm going to call it Temu. But this is like a Amazon type store online. It comes with like anything that you can think of, houseware things, clothing, jewelry, just anything that you can think of. And this shirt I actually have on in the video. It says mama, mommy, mom, and bro, which if you have kids, you are probably going through this right now as we speak. And y'all, this shirt was only like $8 or $9 on the site. I will definitely link everything that is in the video in my description box below so you guys can go and check it out. But I do like how it came in all these little separate bags and everything is pretty much separated and nice. Also got some little ankle socks for the girls. These are like 6 pairs and I just gave them to my daughters to wear because you can never have too many socks. But y'all, not only is this like an Amazon, but it comes quick as well. I placed an order. It came within a few days, and you're gonna spend less money than you would actually on Amazon or even in the store. I ordered these pajamas. They feel so good on, and they're actually a good quality. I was really impressed because when it comes to pajamas, I can be a little bougie, but I was actually impressed with the little short pajamas. And then they're not super hot at nighttime. And you might just see me wear these on camera one day because I literally wear them all the time because I like them so much. So moving on to their jewelry section, my oldest daughter, who is 13, loves gold jewelry, so I let her pick out some bracelets that she wanted, and this came in a pack of 4, and you can wear them all together or you can wear them separate. The girls decided to pretty much split them up between the 2 of them, so that worked out pretty good. So it can fit on a child's wrist as well as an adult's wrist. And then my 13-year-old wanted necklaces too. So all of these necklaces came as one set as well. I am going to lay them all out for you, and you can wear these together. You can wear 3 of them at a time. I do see that people are layering necklaces now, which is a cute trend. So if you just want to wear 1 at a time, or 1 every day of the week, this one says honey. My youngest one loves this necklace, so she wears this. I highly recommend you do not take a shower or bathe in these necklaces. You definitely want to take them off. They are very costume-like jewelry, but they are super cute to wear just on a day-to-day. Just make sure you take these babies off before you get into the water. Now we are going to move on to some sunglasses. Yeah, these are my favorite. I had to go into the bathroom downstairs to try them on just to see how they look on me, and then I will show you here in a minute. I actually love them, and they look super cute. They keep the sun out of my eyes, and they're pretty stylish. So I'm pretty happy with all the selection that they did send to me, and I hope that you guys definitely check them out. I'm going to show you a close-up of everything. And oh yeah, these are some hair clips that I got too, just when you're doing your hair or whatnot. Sorry, I'm goofy, but here's the close-up of everything. They are offering 30% off. Just use the code CARD079 and you'll be able to get 30% off of your purchase. And don't forget to check out the link below. And here's the close-ups. Once I'm done showing you this, I will get back to cleaning.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
So here I am spraying the Dawn power wash on my dishes. I always pre-wash my dishes before I wash them in the dishwasher. Let me know if you guys do the same thing. I just don't really trust the dishwasher that much, but so that is what I'm gonna do here now. And as you can see, I don't have that many dishes because I really like to clean as I cook. It makes it a lot easier at nighttime. And then I use the air fryer too to make my chicken for the chicken Alfredo, which air fryers, y'all, are amazing and they make your chicken so tender and so juicy. You have to try it. If you don't have an air fryer, let me know. If you do have an air fryer, please drop some recipes down below. I'm always looking for something different, something quick and something easy to make for dinner time. You know, doing dinner every single night, sometimes you just run out of ideas. So I'm always looking for different recipes. And let me know if you ever guys want to see me make a recipe on here. I've done it a couple times before. So just wanted to know if you guys ever want to just see what I make and how I make it or whatnot. But yeah, as you can see, legs in here. Family is coming in here. It's nighttime. They're dropping off their dishes and all of that. So they do live here, so you will see them from time to time in the videos. So here I am refilling my addiction, which is Cokes, and then something funny just happened. So yeah, that organizer is not meant for 3 rows of Cokes. So I did learn it that day. But now I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the countertop with my all-purpose spray that I got from TJ Maxx. I love getting different cleaning products when I go to TJ Maxx because they always have different things that I've never heard of. But the bad thing is you most likely will not be able to get it again once the product is over and done with.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you like fast life.
So how have my little YouTube family been doing? When I say that I miss you guys, I truly mean it. I still kept going on YouTube to support my normal YouTubers that I support, but just to see you guys sending me comments, checking on me, like I already said it before, but I'm definitely saying it again, that meant the world to me. And it just made me want to come back to you guys quicker, and you guys really keep me motivated to keep what I'm doing. So I just want to say thank y'all, and I appreciate y'all, and y'all mean the world to me. And what have y'all been up to? Like, let me know in the comments. I feel like I have not talked to you in months, even though it's been about a month, but still, that, you know, that's pretty long for me to go. But I'm gonna try not to leave y'all hanging like this anymore. But I just cleaned the sink, and now I'm putting some lemon oil down the sink, which I learned from an influencer as well, and you guys should do it too. It really makes your kitchen smell good in that sink area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse the lemon oils in my diffuser as well. I did get this diffuser from Young Living. You can get it online, or you can find a representative to purchase it, but I have not seen anything quite like this before. I was trying to find something similar on Amazon, but it just does not send the scent out as well as this one does. So Young Living is the way to go if you really want something of this nature. It's really, really nice. But after I do the oil, I'm going to go ahead and get this floor vacuumed up. And I know this is a really quick video, but I'm just getting started, and you guys will see me again next week. And once again, I'm so grateful for you guys, and do not forget to check out my Instagram. That does let you know my day-to-day life stories and just what's going on. It was at the beginning, but it is @Smith_Row. There is Bambi, that's our other child. How she's not supposed to be in the kitchen when I'm cooking, but now I think she thinks she's free. But anywho, thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next one. And you mean so much to me. Bye-bye.